Here is the all you need to know about people lecture series on the word inquisitive. Ingin tahu, ingin tahu. Curious or inquisitive, curious or inquisitive. Ingin tahu means curious or inquisitive. Let's proceed to the vocabulary. The first word is budak kecil. Budak kecil means young child. The second word is menyoal. Menyoal means question or questions. We now proceed to ibu bapa. Ibu bapa means parents. The fourth word is tentang. Tentang means about. The last word is segala. Segala means everything. Here is our sentence. Budak kecil yang bersifat ingin tahu itu selalu menyoal ibu bapanya tentang segala yang dilihatnya. Budak kecil yang bersifat ingin tahu itu selalu menyoal ibu bapanya tentang segala yang dilihatnya. This means the young inquisitive child always questions his parents about everything he sees. Congratulations! You have completed this lecture.